The Suffering Bastard. First, we're going to add ourselves ginger beer to either a highball or Collins glass. We're adding about 4 ounces. I'm using Goslings here because they're very gingery ginger beer. Next, we're going to add our ice cubes to our cocktail shaker. Then, half an ounce of lime juice, either from concentrate or fresh. We use concentrate because it's a little more consistent. Then we're going to use simple syrup, or you can use Demerara syrup. Either one really works. I think personally that the flavors on profile here lend itself better to simple syrup, just sort of subtly slinking in there rather than Demerara trying to do something silly with it. Either one works. Then we're going to add a London Dry Gin. We're using Beefeater, of course, as the channel quite likes Beefeater. It's tasty. Then you can add an ounce of any brandy you like. Try to avoid the flavored ones, as it would throw off the drink. This is an Italian brandy. Anything works quite well. Then we're going to add 2 dashes of bitters. Those are old-fashioned bitters. You can also use Astora bitters. Either one works. There's a little bit of give and take with this drink. Now, the Suffering Bastard is coming by way of Smuggler's Cove, a excellent little helper book for all things exotic cocktails, rum, and of course, the cult of tiki, which this isn't quite, but it's adjacent, so they have it in here, because the Suffering Bastard also goes on to make an excellent tiki drink. Anyhow, adaptations aside, we're going to take that mixture and pour it back on top of the ginger beer that's been sitting there this whole time. Defizzing. Next, you're going to stack that full of crushed ice. And now, finally, our garnish. Open the skull. After a bit of fighting with things, we're going to add on our garnish. It's a maraschino cherry on top of a lemon slice. You can garnish however you appreciate. A mint sprig and a swizzle stick is sometimes considered traditional, but I quite like the look of this. And now, sit back, relax, and sip away your sorrows, you suffering bastards. Ah, hits the spot. Enjoy! So yeah, The Suffering Bastard is brought to us by The Smuggler's Cove, an excellent book with sources for cocktail materials. Please like and or subscribe to this channel if you've enjoyed the content. Cheers!